How to change Google Forms language. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change Google Forms language. Now you can do this to any language and you can translate to any language. So right here, you can see that this form is not in English, it's in Danish. So if now I want to change this to any other language, such as English, to do that, first right click anywhere on the form and there you'll find translate to some language option. So you can press on it, it does not matter which language it says. So tap on translate to, and after you do that, there you will see the option. Tap on the three dots right there. After you tap on that, you will see an option that says other language. Press on that, and now you can choose the language you want to translate to. Now, this works for not only Google Forms but other websites as well. So select the language that you want to change to. I'll just select English and then tap on translate. After you do that, there you will notice the language of the form is now changed. And that is how you can change Google Forms language. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.